Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. How are you all doing? I'm here in Santa Lucia Mall doing my day-to-day stints. You know what, yesterday when I was in food court, somebody approached me while I'm talking with my other client. She said that, "Sir, excuse me, do you still know me?" She's smiling even though she has a face mask wearing. And then I told her I couldn't able to recall something like that. And then Bayo, yeah, I know you're from Eastwood. I told her, yeah, so she told like that. And then, oh yes, how are you? So we talk a little and we exchange some talkies, and then we make like a what's this just a little recall of yesterday's that we had. No, what I'm trying to say is she's my customer before, and we just make like, how are you, how's life. And then she told me that she's working here in phase 3 and I'm gonna surprise her. I told her yesterday that I still have the picture with me and I'm gonna show it to her. This is the picture that I'm telling you. She's on the center and I'm gonna surprise her. You know what, I've been looking for this until 5 a.m. this day, and I know she's gonna like it. Hold on, I'm gonna look. Where is she right now here? Where is she here located? I forgot she told me that here in phase. Oh gosh, there's a mask. Hold on. Hold on guys, I'm gonna look for it, okay? Bye for now. Shout out to each everyone. Thank you Lord for all the wonderful blessings that you gave. Bye.